Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Block Blast Revive not working. So if this feature on Block Blast is not working on your Android device, then you can do is simply you can hold on your Block Blast application, then tap on the eye icon here. Now tap on it, and where you will get the app info of the Block Blast. Now from here you can just go to the storage uses, and here you'll find clear data and clear cache option. Here first you can just tap on clear cache, and you can just clear the cache file of the block blast that have just stored in your storage. Now then you can just launch your game and try it again. But if you face the problem, still face the problem, then you can just tap on clear data. So it will just clear the data of the app, and it will just set all the settings and all the features and interface to the default on your app just like new. So there's another thing that you can do is go to the Play Store and check for the updates. If there's any update available for Block Blast, like this Block Blast, and if there's any update available for that application, then make sure that you have updated this application. So then you, after updating the Block Blast application or the game on your device, then you can just try to revive on Block Blast. If it's not working yet, then the last option is left, that you have to uninstall your application, then reinstall it, or then you can just create another new account with new Gmail or any other credentials. So you can just uninstall it by from this Play Store, or from here you can just tap on this cross icon here. So here you can see it is asking for the remove, so it will remove the shortcut, and then we can just uninstall the Block Blast from our Android device. So that's how you can just fix Block Blast Revive not working. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.